Ngiyanibingelela lonke Mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angase ngizicabanga, ngeke sengicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho Mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo, bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. But ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami, ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokhu bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhone ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngingalithola ngakhona, but still angase ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho, ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzele abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomamami ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love fana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show, ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy, ba-right, baholile, abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys ngiqinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzele and ngabasebenzela clean. Ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami. And ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna uku-communicate nami, ba-communicate nomamami kulesimo lesi. I don't know why. Mengizwa bakhuluma nomamami, but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October, bangangiphenduli, bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngani wami osemamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Babatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya, abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. Ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company, but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganayimpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayoregister esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform, but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them. And no reason ukuthi why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize, bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked. Bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. Bangiphule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasi uyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle. Izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. Udabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba-very cheap. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially uma ukhuluma ngemali. So mina, my useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing leyo ukuthi ngibasebenzele, but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadale imali yami so that I do my things. Ngiqhubekele ngiphile ngiphambili.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Lona ngimahlala entabeni walaphana kuMoja Lava channel 157 ku umndeni ubuyile again with another video ngemva kokutha trend ekuthiwe ushonile or rather sithi ushonile ngemva ukuthi one of her family members akhulume atshele abantu ukuthi mahlala entabeni ushonile uzame ukutibulala. Turned out ukuthi akabekanga kashoni uzamile nakutibulala but akazange ashone. Bakhona los bamphuthume esibhedlele beka ku ICU and nyalo sophumile ayisosekhaya njengoba sembona. So she's sending a message to bantu basemzansi uyasho ukuthi uyaqolisa la kwendile abekungekho right naye ekwendwe simo sokuthi inkosi yamavela abone ukuthi sengiphilelani because eMoja Lava imendele phansi ngafuna ukumbhadala ekubeni abasebentile. Uthi she was so selfish ngaleso sikhathi akwenda lokho akazange aqabange anything or anyone, akazange abaqabangele ngisho nibantu abakhe. So uyasho ukuthi ebantwini basemzansi uyacela ukuthi bamqolele. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.